The Alberta pastor on trial for violating public health orders blasted COVID-19 restrictions while taking the stand Monday. Pastor James Coates referred to COVID as a so-called pandemic, said that the virus was no worse than the flu, and believed that COVID-19 does not pose a serious risk. Video shown in court, taken by a health inspector, appears to show more than 100 unmasked members singing indoors at Grace Life Church just outside Edmonton. Coates, who leads the church, is facing one charge for violating Alberta's Public Health Act. On the stand Monday, Coates complained about how frustrating it was to wear a mask and openly admitted in court that he did not follow COVID-19 restrictions inside his church, such as limiting church capacity or enforcing mask wearing, saying it would have been sinful to comply and that wearing a mask would be harmful. Coates testified that his church did contact tracing and that there were never any cases of COVID-19 during their 37 consecutive weeks of service. His defense argued the restrictions were in violation of his charter rights. Meanwhile, the Crown only had one witness, a public health inspector for Alberta Health Services. She testified that during several visits to Grace Life, she observed a number of violations and what she referred to as risky behavior, such as a lack of masking, no social distancing, and large gatherings of sometimes double the capacity limit under current health restrictions. During one of the visits, she testified that she overheard Coates tell an RCMP officer that, quote, Dr. Dina Hinshaw is a dictator and the Premier is hiding behind her. Coates spent a month in jail for breaking bail conditions that included not holding church services that violated COVID-19 health orders. He's being represented by the Justice Centre for Constitutional Freedoms. In a news release, they say since the church's closure, congregants have gathered for worship at secret locations these last 3 Sundays. The trial is scheduled for another 3 days. An audio recording is being made available to the public after Crown prosecutors requested there be no video feed and the prosecutor's name be withheld during the trial. In Edmonton, Rochelle Soufi, City News.